Jesus, I surrender all to thee, I freely give. I will ever love and trust you in your presence daily live. I surrender all. I surrender all to thee.